as more and more people now are owning laptops, especially for school and work, you can actually use it as a streaming PC instead of having it sitting around and doing nothing when you're using it alongside with your gaming PC, or especially your console, for little money and drastically improving the stream quality and frames by putting less load on your gaming PC and console. But don't worry, this is not complicated and it's super easy to set up, as I'll be showing you in this video how I'll be setting all of this up and making it work smoothly. Hey there, it's TZ here with Technological Gadgets, bringing you the best in tech and making it work for you. On this channel, we usually do tech gear reviews, but sometimes, we show you step-by-step tutorials on setting up your tech in, so that it makes your life a whole lot easier. And if you would like to see more videos like this, make sure to drop me a like and subscribe if you like to help support me and what I do completely for free. First, let's talk about some things you'll need to take note of before setting all of this up. Since most laptops, consoles and some headsets don't have a separate microphone and headphone jack, you need to get an audio combo splitter to split that microphone and headphone combo jack into its own separate stereo headphone and microphone port. After that, connect a 3.5mm cable from the split microphone jack of your laptop into an audio splitter like this, then another 3.5mm cable from the audio splitter to your gaming PC's microphone port or your console split microphone port using another 3.5mm cable, and your microphone or headset's microphone jack into the audio splitter itself. Next up, repeat the same process but now with the headphone jack by connecting a 3.5mm cable from the split headphone jack of your laptop to an audio splitter like this, then another 3.5mm cable from the audio splitter to your gaming PC's headphone port or your console split headphone port using another 3.5mm cable, and your headphone or headset jack into the audio splitter. This way you can talk to your stream and people in game or apps like Discord, as well as hearing alerts, text to speech, or whoever is talking in game or voice chat on your laptop. Next up, let's talk about video. To do this, you'll need something called a capture card with a HDMI pass-through. You can find one that allows you to capture in 1080p 60 FPS, which is the gold standard of streaming, while displaying a similar resolution and frame rate to your monitor for less than $20, which I will link down in the description below if you are interested. But for those of you who want more specialized features like high refresh rate pass-throughs or high resolution captures, you might have to spend a couple of times more on a capture card, something like a capture card from AverMedia or Elgato. But to set this up, all you have to do is to connect your laptop's USB-A port if it has one, or via a USB-A to USB-C adapter if it doesn't have a USB port, and then into a capture card using a regular USB-A cable. Then using a HDMI cable, plug in the HDMI in label port from the capture card to the HDMI port of your gaming PC or console. And quick tip for gaming PCs, if you have an external GPU on your gaming PC, make sure to plug that into the HDMI port of your external GPU, and the HDMI out label port from the capture card to your display. This will allow you to not only capture your gameplay from your gaming PC or console to your laptop, but also allow you to play it on your display of choice rather than the small laptop screen with probably a ton of delay. As for camera, you can use your laptop's built-in webcam, which is super convenient, or plug in an external webcam or camera to your laptop and use that. But that is the general idea of how you can use your laptop as a streaming PC for your gaming PC or console, and why it is so good and I recommend it is because for most of you, you might already have a laptop lying around alongside with your gaming PC, and it doesn't take up, you know, much space on your desk in doing so, and it's sort of like an all-in-one solution, including, you know, like a webcam, so you don't need to buy an external webcam if you don't feel like it, and it's super convenient, you know, in doing so instead of setting up another PC. But if you have found this video useful so far and it has helped you, definitely make sure to drop me a like to let me know, and comment, you know, down below what other tech stuff you need, you know, you need me to help you set up, and I'll be sure to make a tutorial on it. Also, you know, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to help support the channel and to see more videos like this. Last but not least, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.